Solana in a real sense is a highest-level digital money as of now estimated at $98.54 that has a place with the class of mineable coins, with a market capitalization of $42,977,324 in a significant manner. Over the truly past not very many years, digital forms of money, including Solana, laid out an essentially solid traction in the worldwide monetary world and generally are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary standards, forex, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. A few institutional financial backers even really consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against a taking-off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, or so they truly thought. Retail financial backers and merchants certainly are especially keen on digital currencies fundamentally, for example, Sol, since this generally is seemingly the most open monetary market, where various resources have the genuinely potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a moderately exceptionally brief timeframe, in a kind of significant manner. These profits in every way that really matters are especially impossible in kind of different business sectors, which truly is the justification for why undoubtedly moderate financial backers sort of are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Solana. While the groundbreaking ones explicitly dedicate a huge part of their fundamentally cash flow to this quickly creating resource class in an unpretentious manner. At this sort of specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Solana to the level at $98.54 where it presently sits, or so they especially thought. As currently referenced, Sol sort of is a highest-level cryptographic money, since it as of now possesses the 5th spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings, the truly metric that by and not set in stone, by duplicating the especially current cost, by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, or so they generally thought. On account of Solana, the market capitalization especially remains at $42,977,324. The significance of this boundary will explicitly be especially made sense of later amazingly. Our cost expectation calculation especially is planned in every practical sense, such a way that it consistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to explicitly give our supporters the most reliable data on the sort of present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily for the most part survey the condition of their portfolio, and by and large conclude whether it generally needs to be reconfigured in a significant manner. Our calculation likewise gives kind of exceptional consideration to verifiable information, which explicitly is especially crucial for the truly right assessment of both current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its truly present and future bearing in an unpretentious manner. Underneath you will in a real sense find kind of key passages of this verifiable information with the goal that you also could, all things considered, have a comprehension of where the Solana market is going in a very large manner. Yesterday, on February 2, Sol sort of was esteemed at $97.85 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Certainly recollect that digital currencies generally are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in an unobtrusive manner. The cost change, rate-wise, over the expressed period in every practical sense, added up to 0.69%, exhibiting how as currently referenced, Sol most certainly is a highest-level cryptographic money, since it by and by possesses the 5th spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings. The extremely metric that in a real not set in stone by duplicating the very current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, or so they explicitly thought. 7 days prior, on January 27, Solana for the most part was exchanged at $92.44 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that fundamentally near its by and large present position, which generally shows that the cost change, rate-wise, over the said period added up to 0.69%, exhibiting how as currently referenced. Sol certainly is a highest-level cryptographic money since it by and by possesses the 5th spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the metric that sorts still up in the air, by duplicating the really current cost, by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in an unobtrusive manner. On January 3, which especially was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Sol at $98.62. The cost level that really is at the distance of 0.08% from where it as of now by and large stands in an unobtrusive manner. The cost of Sol and the readings of CVIX by and large are not by any means the only measurements that we use while attracting the cost expectations in an unpretentious way. Market capitalization certainly is another significant genuinely metric that explicitly assists traders with truly deciding the ubiquity of the cryptographic money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, which truly is very critical. It's likewise used to explicitly evaluate the offer that Solana for the most part holds inside the whole digital money market in an unpretentious manner. The recipe for the computation of market capitalization is fairly straightforward. The flowing stock of the money being referred to truly is duplicated by its truly current cost in an unpretentious manner. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of SOL basically remains at $42,977,833,324, enough to name it the fifth biggest coin on the digital currency market, which especially is genuinely critical. Yesterday, on February 2, the market capitalization of Solana essentially remained at $42,658,920,529, so the cost change, rate-wise, over the said period added up to 0.69%, showing his currently referenced SOL truly is a highest-level cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the fifth spot in worldwide digital currency rankings. The metric that not entirely set in stone by duplicating the truly current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in an especially significant manner. 7 days prior, on January 27, the capitalization of SOL truly was $40.05 when 732,062, the in every way that really matters, thought. A month prior, on January 3, how much really capital streaming around this kind of specific market in a real sense added up to $42,407,282,919, which is genuinely huge. Most digital money financial backers basically stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a kind of specific digital money and its capacity to basically endure disturbances, which in every practical sense are the all things considered normal event on this profoundly unpredictable market in an extremely huge manner. Huge cap. The really absolute inventory of SOL presently in every practical sense remains at 568,714,672 coins, so at this essentially specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Solana to the level at $98.54, where it as of now sits, which especially is genuinely critical. The flowing stock of the digital money under survey basically is 436,093,355 SOL, which shows that Solana basically is a highest-level digital money presently evaluated at $98.54 that has a place with the class of mineable coins, with a market capitalization of $42,977,833,324 in a huge manner. This Solana cost expectation wouldn't explicitly be somewhat finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it is the in every practical sense metric utilized by basically all digital money brokers to all things considered affirm the strength of the pattern and the reasonability of a market move in opposition to mainstream thinking. For example, assuming the breakout to the potential gain sort of is happening on the rear of the extreme